Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Made in China scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect structured product and supplier data from madeinchina.com. This actor automatically collects detailed product listings from madeinchina.com. It goes beyond search results cards by opening each product's detail page and extracting price, minimum order quantities, product specs, certifications, images, and full supplier info. It's designed for importers, sourcing teams, and product researchers who need reliable B2B data without manual copying. So, how does it work? To get started, you can choose one of two approaches. Either paste the URL or insert a search query. If you insert a search query, be sure to enter the minimum ordered quantity. Let's say, for example, you want to search for LED lights, and the minimum order quantity will be 100. Remember to also set up the maximum number of items. We'll leave it at 50 for this run. Now, you can either start the run, or you could also schedule the actor. You can set it up in any interval you want, and then it'll automatically run. For this time, we'll only run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, the data appears in this table, in the Output tab. Each row represents a single product listing. You can see pricing, minimum order quantity, supplier info, structured product specs, certifications, and image URLs. Each record also includes a scrape timestamp so you can track when the data was collected. You can export the data as a CSV, Excel, or JSON file, or connect it directly to your internal tools using the Apify API. This makes it easy to build sourcing databases, supplier comparisons, or recurring marketing monitoring. This actor is useful for product sourcing, supplier research, price comparison, and B2B market analysis. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.